up here in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. So Ron and I just moved back into our bus, Aurora, for the first time after about a year of living in a house. So we are full-time bus lifers again, and we are ready to give you a tour of our school bus tiny home. So let's go. Also, we are in the process of painting her, so she will eventually be white. So as you come into the bus, our first little area here is for the puppy dog. So this is where Mika's food storage is, and tons of storage under the couch here. Step in. So this is just the front cab area that we all have blocked off. We can stuff things for storage, and it helps with a little bit of heat retention. Up here is all of our solar and our 12-volt plugs. Under here, we have some extra storage in the front of the cab as well. And then our most favorite cabinet is our game cabinet. We are huge gamers, so we have all the games going way back in the cabinet here. All right, and then we'll swing around to our kitchen. Finally, fully finished kitchen. So first off, we have a side-by-side 24-volt refrigerator. So this takes little to no solar power, which is great for us. We have the butcher block countertops, which we finished. And then we have the little Camp Chef oven. And this runs off of propane. It's just a 2-burner oven with a little bit of room inside to cook. And then we have a pretty deep sink here. So we just cut out a little butcher block thing so you can hide the dirty dishes in the sink. We have running water, running filtered water as well. Alright, we'll go up next. So all this is upper cabinet storage. It's not the most organized right now. We have extra food up here. These are also locking cabinets so that we're on the road, they don't move, and then you can unlock them when you're where you need to be so they don't fly open. So we have plates, bowls, cups up in this one, and then here we have like all of our cooking apparatuses. So we have a hot water heater, toaster, tea kettle, jet boil, things like that. So under the stove, we have all of our pots and pans storage under here. Nice deep drawer. Right here we just have all the regular drawers. We have the silverware drawer. This is our like bathroom and first aid drawer that still needs to be organized. And then this is the alcohol and wine rack drawer. And then just garbage and storage under the sink. So we're going to swing over to the couch lounge area. So this little area we're still finishing. This is eventually going to be, we're going to have a little junk drawer here, and it's going to look beautiful on the front because you're always working on your bus. So then we have our full couch set up here. So the great thing about this is when it works properly, all these little sections pull out to make a full-size couch. So you can pull this out and make an L-shaped couch. You can have a U-shape or pull it out and it turns into kind of like a double bed area if we have visitors. And then we also have secret storage behind the couch. So this little panel just slips open and we have all kinds of stuff stuffed behind here. I think we have shoes, games, blankets, but it's great storage that nobody has to see. Alright, so up here on this shelf we also have our WeBoost cell phone booster. It's kind of hidden and tucked away. We have Verizon cell signal and we just got the booster and it's working great, especially in the middle of the UP. So yay for that. Into the food pantry area. So we have 2 big full pull-out pantries, which is great for organizing all your food and storage, especially because I love to cook. And then we'll move into the closet area. So just a lot of space for hanging clothes, a bunch of things stuffed underneath. Squeaky. And then we have our drawers. So I get a closed drawer, Ron gets a closed drawer, and then we have our electronics drawer down here. That once we organize it all, there is plugs. There's both 24 volt plugs and USB plugs, so we can plug everything in while we're driving, and it'll be sat in the foam so that nothing gets broken. Swing around here to the bathroom. So we do have a full wet bath. The shower head is detachable right here, so we can actually take this outside and do an outside shower with hot water. And then the toilet we have, it's a airhead compostable toilet. So we have no black tank. We don't have to empty a black tank. Everything decomposes and you empty out the urine container and you're good to go. And then the toilet, the whole thing actually removes and can come out of the shower when you're ready to shower. So you have the whole bathroom to yourself. So, and this is also the dog's water bowl because she splashes a lot, and since there's a drain under here, it just all drains. So it's perfect. And then this is our self-cleaning shower door that you can just close off and you're good to go. So the last area inside I have to show you is the bedroom. So we have a full-size bed in here, a little mountain mural on the wall.
So cute.
And then of course we have to have the book storage. We're going to do some kind of mural behind there, a nice little 12-volt fan, and the curtains and the swing open doors, which we will get to. And of course, can't forget about under the bed, which is Mika's little sleeping area. Gotta have the puppy area, and then our water tank is on the right under the bed, which we have a 55-gallon freshwater tank and a 35-gallon gray water tank. Alright, so we'll show you a little bit of the outside bus now. So this is a little automatic lock we have, which is perfect because it keeps the door shut. And then we open up to the bedroom area. So we really like to park along the ocean, can open this door up and just look right out into the crashing waves. It's beautiful. And then right now, this is kind of our garage storage area. So this is our bucket of tools and things that we're still working on the bus with and doing little projects. And then we have our dirty laundry hamper over here, which is a necessity to provide space for when you're living tiny. And then just an extra blanket right here. All right, and then we'll swing around to the back because our back door also opens. Also more storage. So another view of the bedroom from back here. We have kind of pull-out drawers. I have a lot of art supplies in here. We have a lot of camping outdoor gear, and then we have leveling blocks, an extendable ladder, and kind of as much toilet paper that we could fit in the bus. So the one other thing I want to show you on the outside is these are our outer storage containers. So in this storage container we have two 10-pound propane tanks, and those propane tanks are what fuel the oven and stove as well as the hot water heater. And then over here we have kind of all of our outdoor storage. So in here for storage, hi puppers, we have fishing poles, we have tackle, we have our gray water hose.
Shore power.
Yeah, we have hookup for shower power, we have a diesel heater that we haven't connected to the bus yet, and just some general tools. And then we have one more storage bin over on the other side. So in true bus life fashion, when I recorded the tour of the bus, we were currently at a school bus festival, School UP, and things were going on and I completely forgot to record an ending to the video. We're clearly at a new campground now, but you get to see a sneak preview of what our outdoor shower looks like. But thank you so much for watching the tour of our tiny home school bus. We really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, want us to do anything more in depth, or there's something specific you want to see, please just ask. Thank you all for following and have a great day.